this is not the end crochet, and I recently placed an order with Michaels. I did it on September the 4th, and it arrived today. Don't ask me what the day is. But anyway, it's Wednesday. And I was about to check and see if everything came. What did I order? It would be 11. Ooh, nice and fat. Ooh, now. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They're all here. And this one, like, I had a rough ride. I'm going to squish that back down in there. Let's see. The type on that is so small I can't see nothing. Let's see. Regular Caron Cake. I got 2 of these. 1. That's all of them. 2. I remember that. Ooh, blueberry. Love that. Should have got 2 of them. And this is buttercream. I just love me big cakes. I like this green. Pistachio. Alright, I can see that. Big cakes don't want to stay in there, but my ball one ain't big enough for these. Blueberry pudding. I need to get off this floor because my knees and my back are really hurting. Grape jelly. Look like they all had a rough ride, but I'm glad they got here. I might have to break down and get a larger winder. Just break up. I don't want to break everything up. Vanilla bean. It's the first time I ordered yarn online. Let's see. Who you? Let's see. Boysenberry. I have no idea what a boysenberry look like. And let's see, another big cake. Cake pop. And the last one, so I can get off this floor, is fairy cake? It might be pronounced wrong, but I like the colors on that one. Okay, this is my first time ordering yarn online from any store. And I had fun doing it. And I'm glad everything arrived, at least still in the wrapper. They might be, the bigger ones might be a little thrown here and there, but they're in decent shape, workable shape. So I'm satisfied with that. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, please give a like. I would appreciate the feedback. And if you do subscribe, we're glad to have you in the Knothead crew. Hit the notification button. I won't call it a button, but it's a bell. Hit the notification bell, and anytime I upload something, you will be notified. You all keep sweet. God bless you. Hugs and peace out.